In the display filter section, you're going to be able to create a page with properties grouped by city, zip code, search field or keywords, by drawing the map or MLS numbers. For this example, we're going to use the draw map feature. We're going to draw the area that we want to display. This is going to pull properties from this area. We click apply, give a filter a name. Now we can select the property type, the price range, how many bathrooms, and any feature that you want to select. We click save, confirm. Then we synchronize with our WordPress. Now we're going to add the display filter to our navigation. We click on display filters, click on the one we created, add to menu, and now we have our display filter on the menu. We synchronize again, and now we launch the website. If we go to the website, we're going to see the display filter on our menu. If we click there, it's going to take us to the display filter page that we created, and it's going to display all the properties from the area that we drew. And this is how you create a display filter.